Warning: don't eat chemicals you are not supposed to eat. And do this in well-ventilated area. Otherwise you are fine. In this video I am going to show you how to convert less useful calcium nitrate into more useful sodium nitrate. This reaction is simple and quite easy, and turns more annoying hydrated and strongly hydrophilic calcium nitrate into non-hydrated and less hydrophilic sodium nitrate. Also, calcium nitrate is more common and cheaper than other nitrates. To start, I dissolve 486 grams of sodium bicarbonate in 2600 grams of water on heating. In other container I dissolve 683 grams of calcium nitrate in 200 grams of water. To speed up the process I heat it a bit in microwave. My calcium nitrate is quite impure, and the beads are covered in some kind of oil. I'll scoop it off when nitrate dissolves. When everything is dissolved I add the nitrate solution to bicarbonate slowly, because carbon dioxide is side product of this reaction, and also I smelled some ammonia. Calcium carbonate quickly precipitates. When I added all of the nitrate solution, reaction should be done and I have white suspension. Now I have a huge pot of sodium nitrate solution and calcium carbonate solid, which sinks to the bottom. I let the solution to cool and do sloppy fast filtration through the legendary sock. Some carbonate gets through, but it sinks really fast and can be decanted easily. You can collect the calcium carbonate for some other experiments. So I let it sit for a minute and decant all the liquid in a large pot. I need to boil about 85% of the water to supersaturate the solution, so I boil the liquid until a tiny layer of solid starts to appear on surface of the liquid. Then I stop heating and add like 5 milliliters of water to dissolve crystals formed. Then pour all the liquid in suitable container and wrap it in aluminum foil and synthetic blankets to cool the solution down as slow as possible. This way the crystals will grow larger and purer. It is also easier to dry larger crystals of hydrophilic substance. I let it cool for a day, until the solution reaches sub-zero temperature Celsius. Then I decanted solution of crystals and boil the solution again until supersaturation. Repeating the crystallization gives second batch of smaller and more impure crystals. I did this 2 times, lost some of the nitrate, but after drying the crystals got 374 grams of reasonably pure sodium nitrate, which is 76% yield. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed and see you next time.